Welcome back to Project Acropal. Today we are working on the waterline stripe. So what we do is to give the boat a bit more of a cosmetic and symmetric look. We give it basically a stripe over the waterline. We use a thin foil and basically some dishwashing soap for the application. And it looks like it's turning out quite nicely. Now, using dishwashing soap also has the advantage that when you're applying the foil and the line is not completely straight, so it's a bit too much down or a bit too much up, you can simply lift the foil up again and reapply it in a straight line. So this is a first generation Lagoon catamaran, but the logo that we use is actually from the fourth generation Lagoon catamarans. So basically we're taking it from a first generation catamaran to a fourth generation. So due to severe structural damages that the boat incurred, we decided that the best thing to do would be to rip everything out and start from scratch. So while starting out from scratch, the owner had a demand to make one of the already fastest sailing lagoons even faster. So how can we add speed to this catamaran? There are not many changes that we can do to the rig and the deck, so we had to start from somewhere else. And we decided that one way of adding speed to a boat is by reducing its weight. And one part of the boat that determines its weight significantly is the interior furniture. So we decided that we would have to cut back on weight when it comes to the furniture. So we opted for a modern and luxurious design and stick to the plans of Frank Danet, but always with a goal of cutting back on as much weight as possible.
Bu proje bize geldiğinde ekip arkadaşlarımızla beraber değerlendirdik. Bizden istenilen dünyanın en hızlı lagonunu üretmemizdi. Projeyi incelediğimizde biz bunu yapabileceğimizi düşündük. Ekip arkadaşlarımızla beraber ağacımız, queen play'imiz, honeycomb'ımız bunların tedariğini yaptık. Projenin şimdilik %60'lık kısmını tamamladık. Projeye sadık kalınarak çok hassas bir şekilde üretim yapıyoruz. Önceliğimiz projenin hafifliği ve mobilyaların çok stabil, sağlam olmasıydı. Biz bu projede havacılık sektöründe kullanılan bazı materyalleri kullanıyoruz. Bunların en başında honeycomb ve alüminyum honeycomb geliyor. İnanıyoruz ki bu lagon dünyanın en hızlı lagonu olacak.
So, and here we come to the choice of material. The first thing that we decided on is we will use honeycomb composite material when it comes to the furniture. So honeycomb is basically a fused polypropylene material that is really lightweight, has a lot of stiffness and strength, and has also other beneficial characteristics such as it is fungi and mold resistant, it is a flexible material, it is noise and vibration dampening, and it's also recyclable and really sustainable. So we decided to build the furnitures from a honeycomb core. Instead of using traditional marine plywood, which would basically reduce all the benefits that we got from honeycomb due to its weight, we decided to go for something else. Some areas of the furniture, they need to be reinforced in order to take special forces. Here we are talking about locks and hinges and so on. And so we had to choose a solid wood that is solid, fits to the queen ply, and yet again is lightweight. And here we opted for anigre. First of all, it has a nice yellowish color, it fits to the interior veneer, and secondly, it is lightweight, which is our ultimate goal, to make everything as lightweight as possible. Anigre comes from Ghana. It's a timber wood that comes from Ghana. The reason why we chose anigre is it is lightweight, yet really strong, resistant to salt water, and really robust.
Üretim sürecimiz teknedeki şablon alma işlemleriyle başlıyor. Özel ölçü aletleri ve lazer metrelerle teknede şablonlar ve ölçüler alınıyor. Ekip arkadaşlarımız tarafından bizlere ulaştırılıyor. Bizler queen play, anigre masiflerimizi kullanarak üretim sürecimizi devam ettiriyoruz. Sonrasında poliuretan tutkal ile birleştirilme, presleme işlemleri yapılıyor. Prova ve montaj aşamasından sonra tekneye monte ediyoruz.
Another special thing that we did on this project is we used fast mount systems. So all furniture can quickly be assembled and disassembled. Yeah.